Promises God made to the Abraham, to the Israelites through Abraham. Yes. Yes, true. Yes. Yes. Yes, true. Huh? Yes, you'll punish them. True. Yes, they will be kings. Very good. Hapo mnakumbuka kabisa. Kabisa. The areas that you remember. Hey, let me check what you don't remember. Let's go to leadership in God's plan. David and Solomon. What is challenging here? Duties of Samuel. Duties of Samuel. Yes, the anointed prophet. Yes. Yes, true. You've not finished your sentence. Yes? Yes, true. Very true. He performed priestly duties, anointed kings. The first two kings is the one who anointed them. He was God's mouthpiece, settled disputes, led Israelites to war, foretold God's plan, acted as a mediator between God and the people, reminded the people to abide by the covenant way of life, advised kings or rebuked them. He condemned idolatry and any injustice. King David. Achievements of King David. Yes. True. Yes. Yes. Yes, true. Yes. This question actually is even asked in the KCSE a lot. I don't know why. He was chosen by God. He received public anointing. He received Spirit of God. He was a brilliant military commander. He captured Jerusalem, returned the Ark of the Covenant to Jerusalem. He could have started even killing Goliath. He was a skilled musician, good diplomat, respected God's prophets, expanded geographical boundaries of Israel. He was a shrewd administrator. He administers law with justice, united 12 tribes of Israel. And then he is the one who came up with the idea of constructing the temple of Jerusalem. Remember, Solomon, his son, is the one who built, but he's the one who came up with the what? Idea. What is his failures? Yes. Yes, specifically who? No, say whatever you wanted to say, yes? Yes, yes, it's true. You're not there. It's only because you've forgotten the name. Uriah's wife, yes. So he committed adultery with Uriah's wife. David plotted to kill Uriah. He coveted the neighbor's wife. He broke the military law of putting Uriah at the front line, exposing him to danger. And then he insisted on taking censors against God's will. Yes. There's something. He wanted to do what? Failures of King Solomon. Unaona sasa nilikwambia kuna watu wazungumzi. The same people are talking. Yes? 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 True. Yes? Yes? True. Yes? True. Yes, he wasn't. Yes. 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 True. Aya, wacha nisome kidogo. Married many wives, allowed foreign wives to worship idols in Israel, worshipped gods of the wives, built temples for pagan gods, introduced forced labor, killed his half-brother Adonijah, practiced nepotism. That is, he favored Judah and Benjamin. He valued himself more than God. He was extravagant. He sold part of Israel's territory to Tyre. He hired pagan craftsmen. Twende kwa yeye.